the most important is that right of vote.
Yes.
No one is arguing that. People had voted for a particular political party. I don't know. I had given a written order, and why the commission is shying away from showing its bona fides that it did its best to conduct the elections fairly, just because that is very crucial. It does not give any weightage to the independents. It's all about exclusion. Yes, as my lord has correctly stated, there were serious questions raised regarding the elections that were conducted in 2018. Are we just remain silent about it and allow the people to suffer and their fundamental rights be violated? And that is what is not being argued on behalf of those actual stakeholders.
पढ़ ले तो फिर क्लियर हो जाएगा।
जी सर, जी सर। Declaration of results by the Commission. The Commission shall calculate the total number of seats won by each political party separately in the National Assembly and each Provincial Assembly in the manner specified in Rule 94, and shall then ascertain the proportion of each political party of the seats reserved for the women and non-Muslim. Sub-Rule 2. On the basis of the calculation done under Sub-Rule 1, the Commission shall ascertain the number of seats to which each political party is entitled. Sub-Rule 3. The Commission shall then declare elected to the National Assembly, or as the case may be the Provincial Assembly, such number of candidates belonging to each political party in order of priority, in which their names appear in the list provided by a political party. अब आप लफ्ज देखिएगा, as is equal to the number of seats to which the party is entitled to under sub-rule. The word equal. Is it equal? कि 18 जनरल सीट जीतने वाली पार्टी को 30 सीटें मिल गई हैं।
आपको तो जीरो मिले ना, तो आपको फिर जीरो मिलना चाहिए आपकी लॉजिक के हिसाब से।
सर मैं डिस्प्रपोर्शनैलिटी
नहीं, देखें ऐसे तो आर्ग्यू ना करें ना। आज तो आप अपने खिलाफ सारी बातें कर रहे हैं। आप पीटीआई का केस आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
आपको तो जीरो मिला है अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लॉजिक, आपको जीरो मिलना चाहिए।
नहीं, मेरी लॉजिक, आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू एक्सप्लेन, बट आई लीव इट, व्हाटएवर आई हैव आर्ग्यूड, आई लीव इट टू योर लॉर्डशिप. My lord, one novel way of trying to justify this disproportionality, and it is quite a novel way to justify it, is on the ground that this disproportionality should be allowed on the ground of positive discrimination in terms of Article 25. Now, this argument completely misunderstands the structure of Article 51, sub-Article 6, paragraph D, which is that the right belongs to the political parties. The beneficiaries are women. This right and benefit is governed by the higher principle of proportional representation. You cannot give women seats by adopting disproportionality. It would mean that you justify the end by the means.
So if I could take you to page 47 again.
Yes, sir.
How would you make it proportional?
Sorry?
What's the mistake here? Page 47 जो आपने रेफर किया था.
Sir, अगर आप देखिएगा,
5 मिल गई ना, so how would you fix this? How would you, according to you, how would this get fixed?
This will get fixed by giving the seats to Sunni Ittihad Council.
How do you do the maths?
जी?
How do you do the maths?
Sir, इनको जो disputed seats दी गई हैं, वो सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल।
6 सीटों पे 10 मिली है ना, ये आप कह रहे हो ना। टोटल रिजर्व सीट थी 10, और जो विनिंग पोजीशंस है वो डिफरेंट पार्टीज की वो 6 हैं
जी।
6 पे 10 तकसीम हुई हैं, ये आप कह रहे हैं ना, एक्चुअल से ज्यादा
जी। तो जो डिस्प्यूटेड सीट्स हैं, दोज बिलोंग टू व्हाट दे कॉल इंडिपेंडेंट्स, बट दे आर नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट्स।
कोई ऐसा फार्मूला है कि जिसमें बताया गया हो कि आपको इतनी जनरल सीट्स पर एक सीट मिलेगी रिजर्व सीट? अगर वो फार्मूला फिक्स है तो फिर तो बात बनती है कि आपने 10 सीट्स जीती है, 10 पे आपको एक सीट मिल सकती है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
जो भी फॉर्मूला होगा वो डिस्प्रपोर्शनेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हो सकता। दैट इज
94 में है ना
जी,
मिस्टर फैसल, रूल 94 में है ना।
जी।
अब प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन पे यू आर आउट ऑफ कोर्ट। You are really arguing against yourself, Mr. Faisal Siddiqui. I don't think you realize it. You keep saying that we accept your argument, then you don't have a case.
I think that is my case, sir. But I'm sorry I have not been able to convince your lordship.
But I don't understand. You are saying PTI argues this case. I can understand it.
अब मैं
You are arguing
उसी
this
उसी
case.
पे मैं आ रहा हूँ. अब मैं आ रहा हूँ क्यों?
चलें, if you want to persist on this line,
SIC का entitlement तो आर्टिकल 51 के
जी,
मुताबिक
अब मैं उसी पे
वो तो है नहीं, पहले वो आप
नहीं
establish
है,
करेंगे
वो
ना।
है. किस तरह? Sir, if your lordship may kindly see, and this is, I go back to the notifications which I had shown to your lordships. During
let me bring your conflict into sharp focus. We accept your argument and we give these seats to PTI.
No, I'm not arguing that. I'm
No,
saying
we
give these.
accept your argument. So you will go get nothing.
No, the seats go to the parties which are in parliament. SIC is in parliament.
Acha.
जी, that is my argument.
फैसल साहब,
Sir, मैं
फैसल
जरा
साहब।
कमजोर हूँ argument में. I'm sorry.
फैसल साहब, speaking for myself,
जी.
this edifice of the Constitution and read as a whole as a text is premised on one fundamental principle, that is self-governance. And the most important is that right of vote.
Yes,
No one is arguing that.
yes.
Now, people had voted for a particular political party. And I don't know, I had given a written order, and why the commission is shying away from showing its bona fides that it did its best to conduct the elections fairly, just, because that is very crucial. And here we have a situation where the major political party for which the actual stakeholders had voted, they were, whether it was mala fide or for whatever reason, were excluded from that political process. It is about the fundamental rights of the people. It's not about political parties. But again, you see, when we come to 51D, you see, it's exclusively the right of the political parties. It does not give any weightage to the independents. It's all about exclusion. Yes, as my lord has correctly stated, there were serious questions raised regarding the elections that were conducted in 2018. And it had raised serious questions on the election commission as well. So, are we going to repeat that? Are we just remain silent about it and allow the people to suffer and their fundamental rights be violated? And that is what is not being argued on behalf of those actual stakeholders.
My lord, and that vote is reflected in terms of adopting a system of proportionate representation. If that is not adopted, what will happen is a minority government is converted into a government which has 2/3 majority. That should not happen. That is disproportionate representation. My lord, now to the point of these independents. Now,